Welcome students. So this is a second lecture for construction, and today we'll learn that how to construct an angle of 30 degree. It's very simple. Just pay attention, all of you. The steps, what steps I'll be following, I'll be writing over here. Steps. Step number 1. Okay. Construct the step number 1. Construct 60 degree angle. Construct 60 degree angle. Second step, bisect it. Bisect it. That's it. In just 2 steps. Okay. What does this bisect means? Bisect means dividing in 2 parts. Dividing in 2 equal parts. Dividing in 2 equal parts. Understanding? So first I'll construct this 60 degree angle. How to construct 60 degree angle? You have to watch my first video. There I have explained step by step over there. Okay. Over there we had I have explained you how to construct 60 degree angle, and as well as I explained you how to draw 2 triangles. I have taken 2 numericals, 2 problems also for construction of a triangle in which 60 degrees involved. Now today for 30 degree, construct a 60 degree angle and bisect it. Bisection means to divide an angle in 2 equal parts. So it's very obvious that 60 ko if I divide in 2 equal parts, it will be 30. So that means I will get 30 by bisecting this. So basically only 2 steps. First construct 60 degree, then bisect it. So let me first construct 60 degree angle, the things which we already did in a previous class. Okay. So for better understanding, you have to watch first that video, but then too I am explaining you how to do that. All of you. Okay. The base of the triangle, whenever we draw the triangle, will always be given to you all. But right now I'll just take a random base over here. Okay, let us say that I am taking a random line over here of 5 centimeter. Okay, a line of 5 centimeter. Okay, always mark the 2 points like this. Let me call it as line AB. Any random line I'm taking. Okay, you can take of any dimension because I'm just explaining you 60 degree. I'm sorry, first 60 and then 30 degree because I'm concerned with how to draw an angle. Now there's no triangle over here. Okay, 5 centimeter, always you should label it like this, arrowheads like this. Okay, now for example I have to draw this this first 60 degree on this angle A. So what to do? The same steps what we followed. Take any radius in the compass. Okay, of course it's compulsory to use compass only. It's compulsory to use the compass only, please. Okay, you cannot do it with the protractor or D, what we say. Okay, take any radius, more by 2 centimeter, approximately by 2 centimeter. Keep the pointer over here. Okay, if you want I can little bit zoom it. Okay, I'm keeping the pointer over this point A and draw a semicircle. Draw an arc, semicircular arc. Okay, then I already explained you that day. Then now keep the pointer on this point. You can see the point where this arc, red color arc, bisects this black black segment. Keep the pointer on this and an arc over here. Okay, and I told you this, I explained you in that lecture that this complete measurement of this arc is 180 degree. And when I cut with this without changing the radius, this was important. The same radius by which I drew this semicircle, with the same radius without changing the radius, I kept it on this point and marked an arc over here. And this arc will be always 60 degree. Okay, if I also told you that if I draw another arc over here, keeping it here, this will also be 60. It's 60, 60, 60 comes to 180 degree. Okay, but this is not needed. I'm only needed with this one. Okay, so let me highlight this please first. This one, let me highlight this first. Okay, and now I'll join these 2 points. This point A and this point. Okay, pay attention please. I'll join these 2 points. Great. So this is my 60 degree please. This complete is my 60 degree. I'm not writing it, then it will be in the construction. This is 60 degree. Okay, let me write it now. 60 degree. Okay, so this was the thing which we already saw in the previous lecture. Now bisect it. Now how to bisect it? Pay attention. Each and every step I will be teaching you. Bisect it means to divide it into 2 equal parts. Bisect means dividing into 2 equal parts, please. Understanding please all of you. So if I divide 60 into 2 equal parts, it will be 30. Okay, so now see, any radius you can do, you can take any radius. I have taken the same thing. It's not necessary to take the same radius by what we drew this semicircle. Any random radius, I can change the dimension, any radius you take, okay, but it should be slightly bigger one. The idea is it should be more than half of this segment. If this is 5 centimeters, so just approximately it should be more than half. Okay, more than half of this. Okay, now see what I am doing. See the points, what I am highlighting over here. One point is this of the arc, this point, and other point is this. Hope it's clearly seen. Okay, now keeping the compass on this point, an arc over here. Okay, and keeping the compass on this point, an arc over here. Okay, let me highlight the point where the two arcs intersect and just join it from A. All of you, let's join it from A. Yeah, here we go. So students, this is my 30 degree and this is also my 30 degree. Of course, when our triangle is set, so of course this is my base, this will be my base. So I'll go with this 30 degree because that is the uppercase one. Okay, both are 30. So this is how we construct 30 degree angle. Pause the video please all of you and do it fast. Okay, all of you, after observing how to draw a 30 degree angle, basically the steps were first 60 degree angle and then bisect it. Now the first question in front of you, it's construct a triangle DEF, okay, such that DE, measurement of one side is given, measurement of other side EF is given, and an angle is given. When I showed you how to draw a angle in the first lecture, 60 degree wala, I told you it's compulsory to draw the rough diagram. Rough diagram means we are not drawing everything with the help of the measurements. But of course, it's compulsory to draw the rough diagram. Then only you'll get to know that what things you have to make. Okay. Of course, it should be with scale and pencil. Everything should be with scale and pencil. Pencil basically. Nothing, the naming, the labeling, anything should not be done with the pen. Rough diagram, it's compulsory. If you touch the pen in construction, either in the drawing rough diagram of anything, you will get 0 marks. This is my rough diagram. Always make sure that the angle, whatever angle is given, should be at the base. So let me say that this angle, for example, is 30 degree because it's given 30 degree. It's what DEF. Please mark this. It's DEF. So basically the center angle is E. So angle E is 30 degrees. So that's the reason I'll write here E. This is my E, please. This is my E. Because the center point name is important. E is 30 degree. So now I can write here D, I can write here F, or I can write here F, I can write here D, but I'll write here D and I'll write here F. It becomes DEF. Okay. And now I know DE is 7 centimeter. So this DE is 7 centimeter and this EF is 5 centimeter. How we proceed? The first thing we do is we draw the base. First thing we should do is draw the base. Base EF. Okay. It's how much? It's 5 centimeter. Now you have ruled lines in your notebooks. So don't draw the line between the gap between the two ruled lines. Draw on any one of the ruled line. Leave sufficient space at the top because the diagram will be more at the top. So you should go near to the bottom of your page. Okay, and do it. Okay, now see here. First, I have to draw EF 5 centimeter. Okay, so I'll take EF as 5 centimeter. Okay, this is my E. This is my point E. This is my point F. On the spot, it's compulsory to label it EF and write the dimension 5 centimeter. Now pay attention. From point E, I want 30 degree. From point E, I want 30 degree. So what I will do to draw this 30 degree? First, I have to draw 60 degree. So keeping any random measurement of radius, approximately by 2 centimeter, keeping it, because I want 30 degree at E, so keeping it at E. See, rough diagram is so important. Keeping it the point at E. Let me zoom it a little bit. Okay, keeping it at point E. Okay, I'll draw a semicircle. Okay, and without changing the radius, keeping at this point, can you see this point? Keeping at this point, I'll mark an arc over here. And as I told you, this point, please students, this point, I'll highlight this point. This point is the point of 60 degree. Okay, so now I will draw a straight ray over here. And don't forget to mark this arrowhead because I don't know kahan rukega. Don't do this blunder, please. Okay, you can see this. This is 7 centimeter. So some students will say, I will keep here 7 and I will mark a point here. It's absolutely wrong. You cannot directly take the measurement from the ruler. You have to do it with the compass. So make a big line, make a big line and mark an arrowhead. If you don't draw this arrowhead, your marks will be deducted. Okay, now I can see that this point is E. Okay, and what I did, this is not 30 degree. Don't forget, this is 60 degree what I did. So always write on the spot. This is 60 degree what I did. I want 30 degree. How will I get that 30 degree? I have to bisect this. So now I highlight this point and this point. Can you see these two circles? Okay, this point and this point. Now in your compass, take more than half of the base. More than half. Okay, approximately. Okay, so now keeping at this blue circle, this highlighted point, this, I'll mark an arc over here with the same radius. Keeping at this point, I'll mark an arc over here and highlight this point. And now with point E, I'll join this. Okay, and this also it will go beyond. I don't know where it will go. And here actually this is 30 degree. Of course, this is 30 degree what we did. 30 degree. So don't say this is 30 degree we got and we have to just measure 7 centimeter. No, it will go on and on. So an arrowhead is compulsory. Now this is point E and this is 30 degree also we got. Now I want 7 centimeter. After 7 centimeter, this is point D, right? After 7 centimeter, this is point D. So how to do it? Now in the compass, you will take 7 centimeter, please. Okay. So now in the compass, I'll take 7 centimeter in the compass. Okay, see, I took here 7 centimeter from here to here, 7 centimeter. Okay, and from E to D is 7 centimeter, keeping at E. And now not this one green color, on this blue color, because this is 30 degree. I'll cut an arc over here, please. And where the arc gets cut over here, this is point D. So this point is point D now. Understanding this point, like this we have to do it. Okay, and then DF, the measurement is not given. We just have to join this DF. Okay, so when we get two sides, the third side can be obtained easily. So this is my DF. That's it. Don't forget, students, to write the dimension. It's compulsory. AD is 7 centimeters. 7 centimeter. This like this. AD is 7 centimeter. All lines should be marked arrows like this. Okay, so first 60 degree, then I drew 30 degree. Okay, this measurement is not known. This is how we construct it. Pause the video, please. You have to draw the rough diagram and this. Pause the video and do it fast. Okay, students. Now the next question is in front of you. Construct a triangle JKL such that KL is 7 centimeter. Okay, measurement of one side is given. And oh, now only one side measurement is given and two angles are given. Both are 30 degree. Okay, so really it will be very interesting. Let's do it. First case is drawing the rough diagram. Rough diagram means it gives us a clear picture. Okay, Baba, what we have to do it. Okay, so just without any measurements, but of course with the scale, okay, with the pencil, JKL. I will not write JKL anyhow. I told you this is the base. This is the base of the triangle, and always all the angles should be marked on the base. So there are two angles given. So one 30 degree and other is also given to be as 30 degree. Okay, now pay attention, please. All eyes over here. This is K. The center alphabet is K. So this basically K is 30 degree. Here the center alphabet is L. So L is 30 degree, please. Okay, so this is K. So I'll mark this as K. This is L. So I'll mark this as L. K, L, and the remaining is J. So I'll say that this is my J. Understanding? Okay. Now is KL is the base. Is it given to us? Yes, it's 7 centimeter. Okay. So this is 7 centimeter. We are fortunate enough ke base diya hai. Okay. Because in your syllabus, whatever sums I'm teaching you over there, the base will always be given to you. But always, if this would be the case, ki KL was not given to us and KJ is given to us. So of course, we will first take KJ because we should know at least the minimum measurement of the base. But according to your syllabus, you'll only get the sums in which base will be given and the angles will be given. Okay, so KL is 7 centimeters. So the first thing will be drawing this KL, right? Okay, let's do it, all of you. So once again, I will say there should be much space at the top. Okay, so don't draw at the center. and don't draw between the two ruled lines, draw on one of the ruled lines. The base first we are drawing, it's 7 centimeter KL. So 7 centimeter. Always mark the endpoints properly. This is K, this is L, and it's 7 centimeter on the spot. Don't say that afterwards I will do. No, on the spot you do it. This is 7 centimeter. Okay, now listen very carefully. Very interesting sum. I'll mark a star over this sum. I want 30 degree at K. I want 30 degree at L. So what are the steps? For 30 degree, what you have to do? First we have to draw or construct 60 degree, and second bisect it. Okay, bisect this 60 degree. So this is how we get. So first I have to draw, because I want to draw 30 degree at K as well as at L. So first I have to draw 60 degree for K at the point K and L, and then I will bisect it. Okay, दोनों को साथ साथ में करेंगे, so it will be very interesting and easy also. Let me zoom it a little bit so you all can see it very clearly. Hope it's very clear now. Okay, now pay attention. Now I'll take a random measurement of 2 centimeter. Okay, basically 2 centimeter over here. I have to draw 30 degree at K as well as L, but first I have to draw 60 degree and bisect it. So now that means I'll be drawing 60 degree at K as well as at L. So any random measurement at over here, at keeping at point K, see this. Okay, fine. This, and now without changing the radius, keeping at this point an arc over here, and this will be 60 degree. Okay, this will be 60 degree. So I'll highlight this point. Okay, and I'll draw this. Join these 2 points. I don't know where it will stop. So a big line, stretch it till your wherever it goes. Okay, same thing. This is how much? 60 degree. This is 60 degree. Okay, now what I have to do, I have to draw 60 degree here also, but first it will be a very complex diagram. So what I have suggested, first I will do for K and then I will go for L. I'll not do together. Okay, it will be easier for you all to understand. Okay, that's the reason first I'll complete everything for K. This is how much? On the spot write it. This is how much? Bye-bye. This is 60 degree. This is 60 degree, please. Now I have to draw what? I have to draw 30 degree. So see these 2 points I'm highlighting. I'll bisect this. Pay attention. I'll bisect this. So how to bisect it? Take more than half of this base. Okay, keeping at this point, an arc over here. Okay, without changing the radius, keeping at this point an arc over here. Okay, darken or highlight this point and now connect it with the K. So here we are bisecting this angle. All of you, I am bisecting this angle of 60 degree, and this is how much? This what I drew here, it's 30 degree. Yes, same thing I have to follow here. According to me, pause the video, complete this and do this by your own. Exactly जो यहाँ पे की वो यहाँ पे करना है. Okay, hope you are doing with me. Okay, take any random measurement, it should not be the same. It's not compulsory कि वो same होना चाहिए. Any random measurement. Okay, now keeping it at point L, slightly keep it big, minimum I think so more than 1.5 it should be, so it's better for you. Okay, I'll draw a semicircular arc over here. Okay, and without changing the radius, keeping at this point, okay, an arc over here. I'll highlight this point. Okay, now pay attention please. Now I'll join this point L and this point and this point. Okay, this is the green color. Okay, now don't say कि triangle बन गया. Don't say triangle बन गया. अरे this is how much? This entire thing what we did is how much? It's 60 degree. This is 60 degree. Now I have to bisect it. Okay, so how to bisect it? See this please. See this. This point and this point. This point and this point, right? These 2 points. Okay, so now I will take the more than half in my compass, more than half. Okay, and keep it at this point, an arc over here. Always whenever you draw arc, make it light, keep it light, so it does not disturb the diagram. And keeping it over here, an arc over here. Okay, highlighting this point or dark this point and join this. Yes, no lines should be left without arrowheads. And now this, students, this is 30 degree. That's it. So see this, please see this. Can you all see this? All of you. This is point K, 30 degree. Point L, 30 degree. Okay, and where the two things meets, this point is J. This point will be called as J, because they have not given us the dimension of JK and JL. Very, very important sum, most important sum. Pause the video please, and please do it, all of you.